Take a ride in 2006 Commander. The Jeep Commander offers more capability over rugged terrain than most drivers will ever need. It can haul up to 7 people and a lot of stuff just about anywhere it can fit. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, steering wheel audio controls, 4-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, Bluetooth, auto express down window, adjustable headrests, cruise control, AM/FM stereo with CD player. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.